name is Saurabh and I'm from Vision Smart Homes.
This is Pratik and we are here at 86 Fieldhouse Circuit in a beautiful suburb of MacArthur Heights, where we just recently finished a beautiful house.
This beautiful house is on a 375 square meter land area on a steep sloping block, which made it challenging to build.
The house is facing a beautiful natural reserve across the road, which means the amazing views in front of the house is going to stay all year round.
Well, as the name suggests, Vision Smart Homes believes in smart living, and so smart locks comes as standard to all our builds. The house has a double garage with epoxy paint on the floor, which has turned the garage into an additional living space.
As we walk in, we have a long and wide hallway with a huge 4-meter ceiling. As we had a sloping land, we made it to our advantage to have really high ceilings, which in turn makes the house look more spacious and bigger.
The house has 4 bedrooms with 2 master bedrooms, and both the master bedrooms have en-suites and walk-in wardrobes. The standard bedroom has built-in robes and vertical blinds, comes as standard with the house.
Speaking about the inclusions, the Vision Smart Homes have ceiling height of 2.7 meter as standard. And for this particular house, we have gone up to 4 meter in the hallway and the front bedroom, as you've seen.
All bathrooms are floor to wall tile throughout. Custom made floating vanities with 20mm designer stone and bowls, comes with matching frameless mirror. One of the main baths have a freestanding bathtub, which takes it up 1 notch higher.
All our designs offer open space living with open plan kitchen, dining and living areas. Vision Smart Homes offer 40mm bench tops, soft closing cabinet doors, Westinghouse appliances that includes cooktop, dishwasher, oven and range hood as standard, and this particular house has upgraded buffet with bar cabinets.
Bulkhead with the LED strip lighting and pendant lights add more ambience to the kitchen. This particular house has a 2-tone kitchen cabinetry as an option of free upgrade.
So this beautiful house has a butler's pantry with 40mm bench tops and lots of cabinetries along with tile splashback. The living space has got a lot of decorative niches for personalization and a huge sliding door that opens up to an al fresco, letting in tons of light and open space.
The house comes with 3-zone centralized reverse cycle air conditioner, which comes as standard. Security is taken care of with Bosch integrated alarm systems and video intercoms, again as part of standard package.
This particular house is fitted with upgraded hybrid engineered timber flooring rather than the traditional laminated timber floors.
This build was one of those builds which comes with a challenge, and we at Vision Smart Homes are proud that we powered through and were able to complete this in under 7 months in the best way possible. If you are in the market for a custom home build or any of the home and land packages, get in touch with us. See you with a different house next time. Thanks and see you again.